Hello and welcome to this video where we are going to be reviewing the Oraimo Airbuds 3. Now, the Oraimo Airbuds 3 is an entry-level earbuds for people who have very limited budget and want to get good quality on sound. This earbud goes for just 12,999 naira in Nigeria, and you can order it from Oraimo's official website or from any other third-party application like Jumia or Konga. So in this video where I'm going to be reviewing this earbud, we're going to be touching on three things. First of all, the performance. Then we're going to be talking about the price and the ergonomics. So let's get straight into it. So kicking things off, we are starting with the price. Obviously, Oraimo is targeting people who have very limited budget with this earbud, and that's the main reason why the price point is extremely cheap for just 13,000 naira. With just over $20 when you convert the price to dollars, it's obviously for someone who doesn't have so much to spend but wants something that still gives them enough quality, and it's from the brand Oraimo. So when it comes to the price, is this a good buy? I can't really say yes at this point. But if that's all you have, yes. If you have more, no. And that will lead me to my next reason on this review on why you should get this earbud and probably why you shouldn't get this earbud, as to talking about the sound quality. Now, the sound quality is something that I'm quite skeptical about. I have a comparison earbud for you. This is the Oppo Encore W11, and this earbud goes for 25,000 naira, almost double the price of this. And the sound quality of this, obviously, is almost double. Now, what do you get with this earbud? More active noise cancellation, and the earbuds is quite bigger than that. Wait, we're not talking about the ergonomics here. Let's take it to the performance. This earbud lasts for around 7-8 hours for a play. This one, after my own usage, lasts for about 6 hours. So 1 to 2 hours extra, yes, I'll buy this. But most importantly, when I'm having just one earbud on this, I get almost twice the quality of having both earbuds of this Oraimo one on my ear. So what am I trying to say? 2 earbuds here gives you the quality of one earbud on this Oppo Encore W11. The choice is yours. But as I said earlier, if your budget cannot afford this, then this is a good buy. Going into the ergonomics now, and this is where I really get frustrated by this earbud. It is branded as a small portable earbud. Yes, I love the casing is portable, but I just have a problem with the earbud itself. It's so small that when I put it in my ear, I am feeling like I could just be walking on the road and it could just drop off. That's literally how I feel. Let me show you how small this is. Trust me, it is that small. Very small. So if you ask for my take on the ergonomics, I think they could do better. But well, they obviously did better in other variations, and that's why you have this Oppo Airbuds 3 for people who are very limited on a budget and still want something very good from the brand Oraimo. In my own final take, do I think you should buy this earbud? It depends on your money. If all you have is 13,000 to 15,000 naira, buy this earbud. If you can splash a little bit more, like 25, 30, 35k, buy a different one. Oraimo has an earbud that goes for 35,000 naira, and trust me, I've not used that earbud, but from the price point, I know it's going to be massively good. Maybe I should buy it soon and just test it out. What do you think? Do ensure to watch my other video where I was reviewing the Oraimo Smart Trimmer here, and also kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you love this content and would like to see more of the reviews of items that I buy for myself. See you guys when I see you guys.